Let's go.
Okay, so hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you already can tell, this is going to be a wig review video. Short, simple, and sweet. So this So I received a closure in 3 bundles, inches 20 in closure, 24, 26, and 28 in bundles from Aatifa Hair on Aliexpress. And let me tell you, I've worked with them many times before, and I've even spent my own coins without being sent anything free, and that hair has lasted almost 2.5 years now. So let me tell you about this hair. This is their deep body wave closure in bundles. So like I said, 20, 24, 26, and then 28. It is 28 inches long. I can't stand up on this couch. It's 28 inches long, y'all. So if it looks a little different in here, it's because I am remodeling my beauty room and redoing my floors. So it may look a little different. I'm sitting on my couch, which I might need to throw away, but off topic. So this hair comes from them, and I'm going to tell you right now, I have no problem when it comes to Aatifa hair. I've always loved purchasing from them and AliExpress, my 2 favorite go-to hair companies when it comes to quality and affordability. So when it comes to affordability, you have nothing to worry about. I mean, you're going to get bang for your buck. I will not lie about that to you or any of my subscribers. Anybody that knows me knows that I am always looking for a deal, a steal, and a deal. Okay, so this is definitely a steal and a deal for what you're getting, and I'm going to tell you right now, baby, the pattern, the texture, the body, the bounce. I mean, I did the hot glue gun method. Don't do like I did, because when I did the hot glue gun method, I should have bought another mannequin head. I almost made this wig too small because it's very snug on my head. So I did use the dome cap method, and I almost did it too small on my head, y'all. So luckily, I could put my head through it, okay? So it looks amazing, boss. This lace is transparent, but you are going to need to put foundation or powder underneath in order to have it blend to your skin tone. For the women who are, you know, either shade like me or darker, you know what we have to do. Y'all know what we have to do, okay? No explanation necessary. Y'all know what we got to do. So this hair is like, it's like a go-to. I mean, I call it beach curl, because this is that like hair that you can wet down and it looks really cute wet, or it looks really, really bomb dry. Y'all know me. Y'all know I love the Diana Ross look. So right now, that's what I'm kind of rocking. My hair is not flat because, for the simple reason, y'all, I don't have braids. I made this wig last night and I did not braid up my hair, so I had to do this review without my hair braided, so it may be a little bulky at the top. That's on me. That's my fault. Don't worry about it. Look past that. Look at the closure, okay? Really cute. Look at the hair quality. And I'm telling you, when you flat iron this out, it may be a little bit longer than 28 inches. It's definitely 28 inches when stretched, but I wonder how long it's going to be when flat ironed. Ooh, that's going to be cute too. Yes, it's 100% human hair, so you have nothing to worry about. You're going to get a lot of good 100% human hair, whether it be Brazilian, Malaysian, virgin, you name it, they have it. They even have wigs. So I would definitely recommend that you go to them for all of your hair necessity needs, because they are A1. They are a great hair. So I will never lie to you about that when it comes to where I get my hair, whether I get it for free or whether I buy it with my own coins. And like I told you, I did buy this from this company with my own coins before. So they have had my business before, and they will forever have my business now. This hair is 100% grade A. It's best quality, best bang for your buck. You see this texture. I do have a piece of hair left over, so you can definitely see up close. This is the hair, y'all. Look at the texture. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Y'all, I love the way that it looks. I love SZA looking hair. Okay, if you know SZA, you know she's an artist, R&B singer. And I envy her. Okay, no, dead serious. I love her, and this is the vibe it's giving. If you don't like a whole lot of hair on during the summers, they do have very great alternative, whether it be bob wigs or short hair, short bundles, you name it, they have it. So I will have all the links in the description box on where exactly I got this hair from, or if you want to buy a wig or something, their link will definitely be below so you can go even scope out their wigs. Either way, you're getting bang for your buck. Top-notch quality hair, and I love, like, look, y'all know me, I love that big hair look. I be trying to get this part down, but I'm gonna have to braid my hair or get somebody to braid because I got my nails done. This one broke and I can't kind of braid my hair how I want to, but it's still pretty, y'all. Y'all be the judge. You be the judge and you tell me what you think, because like I said, it is a great quality, it's some great quality hair. For what you get, I forget the price, but I'm definitely gonna have, like I said, the information below. The price is definitely affordable and it's worth every penny. So you're not going to be worried about a thing. Now it does shed, and the only reason why it's shedding, and I'm gonna give you the truth about that, is because I had to cut the wefts while doing the hot glue method. While doing the hot glue method, I had to cut the wefts, so it is going to be shedding at the ends, which is not a whole lot, and it's not gonna be that big of a deal because I know why. And if you do the hot glue gun method, you know that it's going to last just as it does if you do the sewing method. And even if it doesn't, I can just always hot glue or do the sewing method. It doesn't mess with the wefts, doesn't mess up. This is quality. Have y'all seen the wefts on these bundles? Baby, they not gonna tear up too easily. You see what I'm saying? Super thick. You be the judge, baby. So go get your hair shop on, okay? So this is the end of this video. Like I said, I don't want my videos to go over at least 8 minutes, 7 minutes, because I feel like this is a hair video. You're here to scope out what it looks like. You're here to get the vibe of, you know, how the texture looks and how it looks quality wise. I mean, it's amazing. It's definitely amazing. Will the curls bounce back? Yes, they will. Once you flat iron it, yes, they bounce back once you flat iron. So you have no problem with, you know, whether the pattern loses itself. No. Even if you were to bleach this hair, which I've done before, the curl pattern goes back. So you have no worry about the curl pattern just dying. It doesn't. I've bleached my my other hair and I've colored it. So I've colored the ends, you know, and stuff like that. So it looks really cute, really pretty, and it bounces back. It looks just like it did straight out of the pack, so you have nothing to worry about. So this comes to the end of this video. It's been fun, it's been real. If you have any questions, please ask me in the description box below. I noticed that they moved the comment section underneath the description box, like right underneath it. So feel free to type there. If you do want to see me slay for the day, follow me at Tamika_Moscato if you want to see, because I do slay every day over there. If you want to see how I rock this hair, or you want to see anything else, I'm always there. Or follow me on Facebook, Tamika Moscato. You know, just continue to support your girl. If you are new to this channel, thank you for showing up and showing out and hitting that subscribe button. You are a forever family. And if you've already been a family and you've been on this journey for, I don't know how long, how many years I've been on here, but I do appreciate you for continuing to support my growth and my evolving and evolution on this here platform. I truly appreciate it. I know that I'm MIA every now and then. It's because it's pandemic and my children are now home. And I don't know how this is gonna go with the next following school year, so I'm all over the place. You would think that I would have more time to be on here, but I don't. So when I do show my pretty face, it's a blessing. And I love being able to be here with y'all. So I will catch y'all in my next video. Also, I am having surgery again. I am having a cosmetic surgery again. I am going for a breast augmentation. I will be doing that journey with you guys. Save all the negative comments for your mama, okay? That's my choice, that's my decision, and I would love for you guys to go along with me with that, just like you did with my tummy tuck. So and I know I'm not doing no more surgery after that. I've always wanted these two things, which was my tummy tuck and my my breast augmentation, but I never could get it because, for the simple reason, I just, during that time, my mind frame was like, I don't want to go through so much pain at one time when I really should have just gone ahead and gotten it out of the way. But I'm going to go do it this time and this time around. So like I said, if you don't like cosmetic surgery, you're not all for that, that's fine, that's okay. That's your right and your prerogative to think how you feel, to feel how you think, but don't project that on me, because this is my body. I'm still, as you can see, I still have stretch marks, loose skin, even after my tummy tuck, and I embrace that proudly. This is my body, my choice. So I love y'all. I shall see y'all in the next video.